Hi everyone, welcome to another session of Excel with UT. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about another important functionality of data sorting. So, data sorting is basically a option in Excel which helps you to arrange the data as per a particular format, and you can arrange the databases alphabetical order, numeric value, colors, icons, and there can be a custom sorting as well that you can do. So what I mean to say, uh, for example, you can see this list of names which are placed here. Now these are generated randomly, but now I want to have the names as per the alphabetical order. So this is what we can achieve through sorting. We can alphabetically sort them, and we can get the names as per the alphabetical order here. Okay, so this is what is meant by sorting the data. Let's go into the data set and see some more functionality in more detail. So I have the monthly sales data of few employees here, as well as the order details regarding the sales of brands of phone that they have done. So if you want to sort the data, simply you can have your cursor in the data, and in the home tab, you can go to this option here. So this is the sorting option. You can see it can sort the data as per alphabetical A to Z, or it can sort the data as alphabetically Z to A. So let me just sort the data A to Z. Now you can see it has sorted the employee data alphabetically A to Z. So that is how you can sort the data. Similarly, you can have your cursor in the brand. You can go to the sorting. You can sort the data A to Z and see it has sorted the brand uh, as per the alphabetical A to Z. Now, just remember all the columns should be together, and that's when the Excel will sort the complete data together. Okay, so if you have something like this wherein the data has some gap or a column in between which does not have values, then it will not sort the complete data. For example, if I sort the month here, let me just do Z to A. So if you see now, it has just sorted the month and the employer. It has left the order count and the sales. So that's how you need to keep the whole data together. If there are columns blank in between, then the sorting will not happen. Okay. Similarly, if you want to sort the numeric columns, for example, if you want to sort the order column, you can sort, and now it gives you an option to sort basis smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Let me just do largest to smallest, and that's how it has sorted the order count here. So that's how you can sort between different columns here. Also, now you can also select selective columns here. For example, I've sorted the first four columns here, and I want to do sorting basis these. Now you can do these by using the custom sort option here. Okay, so here you can see it gives you the sort by option, and in the column when you check, it is only selecting the first four columns because that's what you selected while uh, taking the data. Okay, it has not taken the sales data here because you have not selected the sales data. So now you can sort the data. Let me just take the employee. I wanted to sort the databases, the values, and I want to sort the databases A to Z. Now you can add further conditions here. Let me just take month now, and I want to sort basis the values here, and I want to sort basis the order Z to A here. Let me just press OK. Now you can see what it has done. It has sorted the employee column first, and under each employee, it has sorted the month here. So under Jack, it has sorted the month uh, A to Z. Under Ravi, it has sorted the month A to Z. Under Tony, it has sorted the month A to Z. Okay, that's how it will do custom sorting when you select the multiple conditions here. Now also you can see you can add more conditions here. So just remember it will do the sorting in the same order uh, that you give here. So that means it will sort basis the employee, then it will sort basis the month, then it will sort basis, for example, if I take the brand here. Okay, so that's how it will do the sorting here. Also, you can remove by clicking any of the conditions here, and you can remove these conditions. Now it will sort basis the employee and it will sort basis the brand here. You press OK and it is sorted basis the employee and the brand here. Now similarly, you can sort basis the order count here, and this is how the numeric column gets sorted. And along with that, the complete data, the corresponding cells are sorted as well. Let me just undo it. Now, while analyzing or while checking, uh, for example, if you made certain colors of few of the values here, there is also an option to sort basis the color. Okay, for example, you were doing some checks, and while doing the checks, you gave some colors to the cell. So there is also an option to uh, sort basis the color here. You can again go back to custom sort, and now let me just first remove this brand. Now if you see, let me just take the order count because that is the column which has the color here. Now it asks me whether what values I want to sort on. Now I don't want to sort on the values, I want to sort on the cell color here. Okay, it is asking me whether I want to keep the selected value on top. Let me just take it on top. And now if you see, it gives me uh, the colors which are present, or it will show me all the colors that are present in the column. Let me just take the color gold here and do the sorting. Now if you see, it has brought the value with the golden color cell on the top. Okay, so it has sorted the color here. Now just an observation, if you see, the remaining color remain as is because we did not mention anything about the remaining color. If I go to the custom sort again, now let me just add another condition here. I will choose the order count again. Now again, let me just choose the cell color. Now let's take the light green here. And now, and let me see the results here. Now if you see, it has first kept the color golden at the top, and then it has also sorted basis the other color. Now, since I wanted both the colors on the top, it has placed the color in the order that I've given. First the golden, then the green. Now I can also do the other way around. I can choose to have a color at the bottom and I can sort. So now you can see it has sorted the other color at the bottom and the first color at the top. Okay. Now there is also an option to sort by the font color. For example, if I uh, wanted to sort basis the font color is basically alphabet, the colors that you've given to the alphabets here. So again, if I go to custom sort, let me just add another condition here. I'll take order count again. And now this time I want to sort basis the font color. Okay. And let me just take red, as red is the only available color that we have. Press OK. And now if you see, let me just open the dialog box, sorting dialog box, and understand how it has done here. So it has sorted the first condition basis the golden color, then it has sorted basis the green color, and it has put the green color at the bottom. And then, since we have done the font color at the bottom, it has sorted the font color at the last. So that's why you can see it has put the font color starting from the second cell, because that's the third condition we had given. So it has put the font color after the golden color and the green color. So that's how uh, you can work with the colors. Let me just assign some op icons to these values. So I've assigned some icons to the order count. These are, uh, I've assigned it randomly. Now there is also option that you can sort basis the icons here. So let me just clear some of the rules here just to make it a little simpler. Okay. Now let me just take the order count here, and now you would have guessed, uh, we want to sort on basis the cell icon here. Okay, and you can choose between the icon that you want to have on the top or at the bottom. So I've chosen the first one, green here, and I've pressed OK, and that's what it gives you. It categorizes all the green color icon at the top, and then the remaining one it puts in the other way. Okay, so this is how the sorting works here. This is how you can do the basic sorting in the data here. You can do basis various formats, numbers, icons, colors. So this will help you to arrange the better data in a better way, and it will help you to understand and work with the larger data in a much smoother way. I hope the video was helpful. Let me know in the comments how you felt about it. Thanks for joining.